Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Jungle Love on guitar using an easy method. We will begin by learning the 4 core chords for the song: a minor, G major, C major, and F major. These are all open chords, making them perfect for beginners. Focus on clear notes and smooth changes between each chord. Consistent practice will build your muscle memory and make playing much more enjoyable. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A straightforward down-down-up-up-down motion works perfectly for Jungle Love. The key is to keep your rhythm steady and consistent, ensuring each strum is clear. Remember to keep your wrist relaxed. This allows for a more fluid and natural strumming motion, preventing fatigue and improving your overall sound. Practice this pattern slowly at first. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together with the song's progression. The sequence is a minor, G major, C major, and then F major, repeating throughout. A great way to practice is by playing along with the original song at a slower tempo. Additionally, using a metronome for just 5 to 10 minutes daily will dramatically enhance your timing and consistency, making you a more confident player. Finally, let's explore ways to enhance your performance. Once comfortable, try experimenting with strumming dynamics, playing some parts softer and others louder to add expression. You might also consider using a capo on the 2nd fret to play the song in a different key, which can be a fun variation. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy playing this fantastic song on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.